This week's challenge is homemade pizza.
Yes, so starting with the crust, if we're talking crust, we've got lots of different options. So we've got our fresh pizza dough from our bakery, which makes a great base for pizzas. You can also get the kind of pre-made pizza crusts that we have. And another fun option is cauliflower pizza crust. So Cauliflower makes a pizza crust, which is really fun, and they also make full-on pizzas with a cauliflower crust too. So we're gonna give this a try. I'm very excited.
And you can also make your own cauliflower crust. We have a recipe for that on our website too.
Yeah.
2 ingredients, super easy.
All right.
Give it a try.
It just tastes like a regular pizza crust.
Yeah.
So good.
Easy. And speaking of frozen pizzas, you can also just take a regular frozen pizza and just add on some veggies. So that could be everything from mushrooms to peppers to even broccoli.
Sure.
Really endless options.
Definitely. Well, good luck, have fun, and we'll see you next week.